Every year my magic lilies come up early, then freeze off. I don't get any blooms. What can I do to prevent this? And this is Jim. So he doesn't
Wow.
get any blooms
Yes.
because when they come up, they freeze.
Yeah. Well, you know what? It's real easy because they're low to the ground anyway. It'd be easy if he knows there's going to be freezing temperatures to go out there and just simply cover them with either plastic or some frost cloth, and that will prevent them from getting nixed by the cold.
Right. So if we can
And then
just
they'll
cover
get
them.
blooms.
Right.
They'll have enough energy then to form the blooms down in the bulb.
Okay. So we're saying cover
Cover
in that way.
when
you
there's
can-
cold temperatures.
Right. Yeah. Watch the weather. See if that helps you out.
Definitely.
Yeah. Get out there, get them covered,
That's right.
and that should help. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, subscribe. We have hundreds of family plot videos for you to view.